In my 2017 e-Golf, I can't raise the wiper arms with the hood down. Each attempt ends with the wiper arms striking the edge of the hood on both the driver and passenger side. So what's the fix if you want to lift the wiper arms so you can inspect, clean, or replace them? What we have to do is put the wipers in service mode. In order to do that, what we need to do is start the engine, just in the ignition mode, then turn it off, turn it on again without putting your foot on the brake pedal, turn it off again, and now pull down on the wiper control arm, and your wiper blades will go into the service mode. Once in service mode, it's easy to lift up the wiper blade arm and clean, inspect, replace, whatever you need to do. Once you're done servicing, make sure to place the wiper blades back down on the windshield. Start the engine. Press down on the wiper control. Hold it, and the blades will go back to their default position. And then you can just turn off your engine. So while this seems pretty simple, it can be a little confusing, so we're just going to review these steps one more time. With the engine on, you're going to turn it off. Again, it doesn't have to be in the run mode. Then you're going to turn the engine back on. And then you're going to turn the engine back off. Then you're going to press down on the wiper control and hold it until the wiper blades come up. And they will pause. Now you can service your wiper blades. Once done, turn on the engine, press down the wiper blade control, and the blades will go to their default position. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and please subscribe so we can continue doing more of these videos for you. Thank you so very much.